guys, it's Skomar here, and today I'm doing a big challenge. This is ginger ale in a bottle, and I'm going to be throwing it up in the air and see what happens. Let's go do that right now. Alright, let's start this out. I have a special guest entering this challenge also.
Diamond 1, 2, 4 right here.
And we're going to be altering 4 times to see if the bottle can pop, so let's do it. And if we complete the challenge, that means that the bottle successfully popped when it hit the ground. But if we failed the challenge, if it does not pop. So let's do this. Let me shake it up a little. Pop, pop. Oh my god. Alright, this time. Oh,
Trial 3.
pop, pop, pop.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alarm scale off when I enter the building.
That the challenge was completed. See? Alright. We actually completed the challenge. I want to pop it more. I kind of want to make it explode, so let's do that.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun.
Come here. Oh my god.
The cab is all the way over
Exploded.
here. Oh my gosh.
Well, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video and you want more challenges, please comment down below. Oh my gosh. So guys, if you like that, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel for more content. This is Skomar, and I'd like to say have a good one.
Friends who do stuff together. U is for you and